The E-Tech 3 with the invert 2 hopper. Pretty nice colors there. Black goes with the frame, the grip, and the barrel tip, and the whatever you freaking call that, I don't even forget. Just blew my mind right there. You got your, oh my god, ball detents from it, and your feed neck. That's the word I was looking for. Just left my mind. And it matches your reg and your macro line. Looks pretty cool. And then got my St. Louis Avalanche jersey by Planet Eclipse. St. Louis. And then Avalanche. Matches the gun pretty well.